Hey guys, welcome to your review channel. So I'm at Tesla today. I'm doing a test drive, first time doing one. And this car just pulled up by itself and pulled right in front of me for my test drive, and the blinking lights are on. Absolutely insane. So I'm going to do a test drive of this thing. I'm going to let you know my thoughts. Buying a Tesla. This is my first time getting into a Tesla and driving it myself. So maybe I'll try to get some footage of that. But that's freaking wild. It just pulled up by itself and pulled right in front. All right, let's see what happens. Hey guys, first time driving a Tesla, and it's pretty awesome. I have to tell you that 1 foot driving is absolutely amazing. Pretty wild. I mean, you can see here, just take your foot off the gas, or whatever you want to call it, the gas, and the car pretty much almost stops on its own. So it's very responsive. I tried the automatic driving, the self-driving, and it was absolutely perfect. It was crazy. Again, first thing I did, let's try that right away. I love it. Lots of power. Absolutely ridiculous. No comparison compared to a gasoline car at all. Absolutely phenomenal. I love the screen. The touch screen is awesome. Just woo. I mean, you step in that gas, and this car is like a rocket ship. Absolute rocket ship. This is the Model Y I'm testing. It's got the blinker. Everything is on the screen. I like the big screen. I think you can get used to it pretty quickly. The AC is very comfortable. That's got around 53% battery on it. It's so packed today that they said, you have a half hour, but I scheduled an hour, so I'm taking my hour. That's what I scheduled, and absolutely amazing. I mean, you take your foot off the brake there in the car. You don't need brakes in this car. It's crazy. Absolutely awesome. So if you guys are Tesla fans, let me know. Leave some comments down below. Again, this is my first experience driving a Tesla on my own. I was always a passenger sitting in someone's car, but never drove it. It's very smooth. It's got a beautiful ride. She says you have a couple weeks before the tax credit expires. So if you're thinking about getting a Tesla, do it now. I mean, at least get your order in as soon as possible. I can see it's an awesome vehicle. It's got plenty of power. Nice job, Elon, with building this vehicle, honestly. I mean, I haven't driven any other electric cars, but this seems to be the premium car. A friend of mine has a Tesla, not Tesla, he has a Tesla and a Lexus electric, and it's two different experiences, totally, absolutely different altogether. So it's absolutely amazing. It's crazy. It's scary. And I think I'm going to do it. I'm pretty psyched about it. Again, I mean, just awesome car. All right, I'll continue my review. And so far, I think this is going to be a winner for me, guys. So if you love Tesla, leave some comments down below. If you hate Tesla, don't hate me, because, again, this is my first time doing something like this. I have no idea. I'm just excited about getting away from the damn gas and taking control of my own control of the car, as far as, you don't have to worry about fluids and oil changes and all that BS. I know it has other issues. I know that for sure. But this car rides really, really well.
Okay guys, so listen, I have to interject here. So this is afterwards. I'm just doing a voiceover here. So I did drive the car for the hour. When I first drove the car was on automatic drive, a total autonomous driving, which was absolutely amazing. I was pretty impressed with that. But after the hour driving it, honestly, I started getting nauseous. I don't know, it's because I just couldn't control the gas and it was just too jerky for me. Maybe something you have to get used to. Let me know if you have this issue. Leave some comments down below. So I'm not gonna purchase it yet, because I'm just not convinced that it's not gonna make me nauseous, because I get nauseous very easily from boats and flying and things like that. So this gas 1 foot driving thing, it was just hard to control, and the sunlight was in my eyes a lot with the sunroof. I didn't like that. I have sensitive eyes, so things like that. So some kind of quirky things back and forth, but I did get nauseous after driving it about the hour, and it just didn't work for me with the backing up and the whole 1 foot thing. Maybe that's what it is, and maybe I'm just not used to it yet. So if it's something you do have to get used to, let me know. Leave some comments down below. Maybe it's just me. Maybe I have to give it another try. I don't really know, but the car is phenomenal. The technology is amazing. I mean, it's got so much to it. As you know, I mean, there's just so much technology in this car. It's fantastic. So it rides well. The automatic driving was pretty scary. I mean, it went on the highway. It took me home. It did all that stuff, which was wild. The controls you did get used to quickly after a while. It was really just that 1 foot driving that just made me feel uncomfortable and a little bit just nauseous. I mean, the experience was good. It handled well. It's very hot, sturdy on the road, all that kind of stuff. So all in all, it's a great car. So I think it's good. I mean, I think it's fantastic. I'm definitely going to say it's definitely worth taking a test drive. Yep, I'm going to give it that. The only thing I did get nauseous, and unfortunately, that's just bad for me, but what can you do? All right, guys, so if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And maybe I'll do another test drive with a different electric vehicle. You never know. Stay tuned. Keep watching.